When I first started earning money with the Amazon Influencer On-Site program, I really honestly thought that it was too good to be true. And especially from being an Amazon seller for over a decade at that point, when I discovered the on-site commission program, I really thought something was wrong and that Amazon had messed up real bad. I'll never forget when I was auditing a client's product listing page and I saw these videos and I'm like, what is going on here? Who are these people that are promoting my clients' products in their videos? And how on earth are they getting paid? Because it says right underneath there earns commissions, right? So I knew that I had to dig a little bit deeper. And I'm so glad that I did because now I've been earning with the Amazon Influencer Program on site for 4 years. I love every second of it. Not only is it fun, but I earn money every single day. And I'm going to get into the 6 reasons why I love being in the Amazon influencer program, especially as a busy mom of three, an entrepreneur with multiple businesses. This is by far my favorite business venture, and I'm going to give you the 6 reasons why, and hopefully you'll be able to relate to at least one of them, especially if you are new to the influencer program or you're wondering, is this something that I should start doing? I will tell you the reasons why I do it, why I love it, and why you should get into it as well. So my name is Kathleen Coble, and I've been an Amazon influencer earning on site for 4 years now. I successfully earned over $100,000 every single year with the Amazon influencer program. And, there's so many just great benefits and perks and things about it. And that's really what this video is all about. So if you want to learn how to earn with the Amazon influencer program, work smarter, not harder, because I don't have 20 hours a day to make videos, and I bet you don't either. So, these are all the reasons why I love earning with this program. I'm continuing to do it for as long as it's a thing. And I love teaching other people about it and seeing the success that they bring once they start getting into the program and earning with it. So, let's dive in. First and foremost, I love being an Amazon influencer because I'm able to monetize all of the things that I already buy on Amazon. As a mom of three, multiple businesses, multiple homes to take care of, pets, all the things, I am constantly buying things on Amazon, like spending probably way too much money on Amazon, but it's all the things that I need, right? So, one of the great things about being an Amazon influencer is that everything I buy from Amazon, and even things that I don't necessarily buy directly from Amazon but are available for sale on Amazon, I can create a video, upload it to Amazon, and then earn every time somebody watches that video and purchases the item I'm talking about. So basically, if you're like, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be, good at this influencer thing, it's a little misleading because you don't really have to be like an influencer. But what you can do is you can earn from every single thing that you purchase from Amazon once you're in the program and get your first 3 videos approved. So that's the first thing I love is I love just being able to monetize all my Amazon purchases. My daughter needs a new pair of shoes. Here you go, kid. Here's your shoes. Let me take a quick video. I need a new microphone. I'm definitely going to be creating videos for a new microphone, uploading those to Amazon, and I'm going to make money on that microphone, which is also probably a business expense. So that's the first thing. I can monetize anything I buy on Amazon and at least earn my money back, and ideally, and then some if it's a good product that sells well. Number two, so I buy all these things on Amazon, of course, like I just told you. But the other thing too is that now that I've been in the program for a while, and this started happening maybe about a year or so of me creating content and videos and uploading them to Amazon, now I get all these different brands and sellers that reach out to me constantly. It's like every single day now. And I'm constantly getting offered free products. Now, from all of these different places, right? They're saying, hey, we'll send you a free mattress. We'll send you free shoes. And if you have kids like I do, clearly I have shoes on the brain, but they go through so many and they grow so fast. And then they just those shoes, they don't last very long because they just wear them out, right? So if I can get free shoes for my kids, amazing. Yes, please, right? So I have all these brands and sellers that now reach out to me saying, "Hey, would you be willing to, create a video if I send you a free sample?" Now, one quick caveat is when you start doing this even more, you will be able to negotiate payment first, right? So you start with free samples, but I recommend that you at least go back and say, "Hey, could you pay me $50, $100, $200, whatever your rate is for a video?" Go back and try to negotiate getting upfront payment first. But that's another reason why I love this program is because I can get free stuff, but I can also negotiate and get paid up front to get something for free, try it out, and create a quick video about it. So for that reason, I really love that as well. Okay. Number 3, this is a huge one. This is really, really important, especially as a parent. If you are watching this and you have kids, whether they're young, they're in grammar school, they're older, maybe they're not even in your house anymore, maybe you have a full-time job, right? But one of the biggest reasons, and this is reason number 3, one of the biggest reasons that I love being in the Amazon Influencer Program is that I can work as much or as little as I want. And there's no boss that's telling me, "Kathleen, you have to make 20 videos this week." No, that boss is me, right? So if something is happening, let's say someone in my family gets sick, or we're traveling, or there's a big event, and I just don't have as much time this week as I did last week, the most amazing thing is that I can work as little or as much as I want to on this business, right? Obviously, the more you work at it, the more you put into it, especially, strategically putting in that time, the more money you are going to earn, right? So it's really nice to be able to set it down if I need to for one day and then come back and pick it up the next day. I love that about this. You're not constantly posting on social media twice a day or every single day even. So again, number 3, really love that I can work as much or as little as I want to. And it's all around my lifestyle. Number 4, and this kind of goes along with number 3, is that no matter if I'm uploading new videos or creating new content, I'm still earning every single day. I'm earning from the videos that I've already created and uploaded to Amazon. This is truly a passive income opportunity in a particular way, right? It's not completely passive. You still have to go look at your analytics and do some tweaks and checks and balances and all that good stuff, but it can be very passive, especially if you're not working that day and you're not creating content that day. Once you get to a certain amount of videos and a certain point of being an Amazon influencer, you are going to earn every single day from your on-site videos. And I love that about this program because I don't have to put in the hours. I'm not trading hours for dollars by any means. Yes, I'm working. I'm working hours and hours every day on this business every week, every month, but I'm earning every single day regardless if I upload new content that particular day. For me, it's tough to do new content on the weekends. That's family time. But during the week, that's when I'm uploading new content. But on the weekends, I'm still waking up to my Amazon earnings, and I love that. Number 5 kind of goes along with number 2, but I love being able to try out new products, especially on Amazon. From being a seller for the last 15 years, I have tried out so many different products. I have helped so many different brands and had lots of different clients selling all types of products in all different categories. But I love being able to try out new products, whether I'm doing a strategic Amazon purchase because, my daughter needs new shoes, or I'm working with a brand or a seller that's giving me free samples or paying me up front for my content. I love being able to try out these new things, and there's always an opportunity. Even if I try it out and I don't like it, there's an opportunity for me to then go donate that item, which makes me feel good. Or if I haven't really used it, I can go resell that item. So there are other ways that you can make money with your content. You're getting free things, you're making money with your content, and for that reason, that's why that is number 5. Number 6, this is a really important one. I get to connect with other Amazon influencers in a world where me, probably you, right? You work from home. I work from home, and I'm not surrounded by a whole bunch of office mates except for maybe my cute puppy Charlie. But I love being able to connect with other people doing the same thing. I've grown an amazing community, and if you're not a part of it, you should come check it out. Free Facebook community. I'll make sure there's a link right here and below so you can come join us. But I also do live streams every Friday at 10 a.m. Central, and it is a great opportunity to come together with other Amazon influencers to talk about what's going on in the program that week, to come get your questions answered. And we always have a specific topic that we're talking about, but we also answer all of your questions as well. So for that reason, that's number 6, is I get to connect with other people that are doing this, and it just makes it so much nicer, and it keeps me motivated to keep going, especially when I have a down day of earnings. So if you are not already in the Amazon Influencer Program, I recommend you try it out, at least go apply and see what happens. If you don't get in the first time, join my free Facebook group and we will help you get in with all the strategies that we already know, have tried and tested, and we know it works. So come join the free Facebook group if you need additional support, if you're just getting started, or even if you just want to have a nice community of Amazon influencers around you. I love this program. I hope I can continue earning with it for as long as possible, and I hope you do too. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, come join the free Facebook group, and I'll see you in the next video.